Hello, IK here. Welcome to React AI e-commerce full course from beginner to advanced. Part 2, key features of the application. Lesson 6, how React creates the first user interface. Introduction. Metaphor. React applications as electronic devices. I use a metaphor to explain React features with electronic devices. A user pushes a button, and on the screen they see a crane start to move. The feature is the name for that button actions. The state is the name for the crane. The screen is feedback. The user must see the consequence of their action. If there is an error and the crane does not move, a service person investigates. They measure the electrical current from the bottom to the crane's motor. If current exists before resistance, but not after, the error is in that resistance. The service person follows the electrical diagram to locate the problem. The same principle applies in React application. A developer follows the code and measures console log data. If data exists before a step, but not after, the error is in that step. My strategy in this book is to explain all features of my React application e-retail public. Every React application is a collection of features. By explaining all features, I explain the entire application. The goal is for you to understand, not memorize. Look at the code because it shows the path of data flow. Data flow is like electric current. I believe I explain features better than AI, so I do it this way. If you uh, read this text carefully, you will think like me. Let us get started with the first features. Lesson 6, how React creates the first user interface. Step by step in plain words. The user types the site address, for example, localhost 3000. Here it is. On or your real application link. The browser sends an HTTP request, Hypertext Transfer Protocol request, to get the web files. The browser receives index.html homepage from the server. You can find it in public index HTML. Inside index.html, there is a small script tag that calls index.js. Index.js starts React. It connects React to uh, uh, HTML element div, id equal root, inside index.html. React calls app.js, which builds and displays the app's user interface. This is the first screen the user sees. Explore. Open public index HTML and ask AI about script. open src/index.js and ask AI about the script. Explain out loud so your ears can hear what you learn here and how you would teach it to somebody else. End of lesson 6. If you know somebody who need this YouTube course, it is a new project of YouTube, and here is a note. I don't receive all features. I only have options create new course and a new feature coming step by step. It is really, really big project of YouTube. It would be maybe it would be a big concurrence to Coursera and other like it platforms. Okay, and if you know somebody that need a video like it, tell them about this. If you like it, comment, subscribe. Okay, it's all for this video, and thank you for watching.